What do I love about the Philippines?
That's easy. The Pinays, of course.
White sands, blue waves.
Beach babes.
I knew you'd say that.
The adventures! Mountain climbing, rappelling, diving.
I love going on road trips.
Wakeboarding.
Patintero, sepak takraw, sipa, tumbang preso, shato.
We have some of the best singers in the world.
Filipino movies. Lino Broca, Mike De Leon, Shmel Bernal. And yes, I'm a Sharon Cuneta fan.
Heroes. We are a land of heroes.
Muot ko ang pagiging Pilipino.
I love being a Filipino.
Pag marugol ko, Pilipino ako.
I love being Filipino.
I love being Filipino.